You're there, but not really there, and your child can feel it. When we're always on our phones around our kids, we send silent messages. Messages like, "This is more important than you. I'm not really available." Over time, those messages can grow into feelings of not being good enough, anxiety, or low self-worth. Here's 5 reasons to put the phone down. Your child's self-worth is being shaped right now. When children feel unseen, they begin to believe they're not worth seeing. You're teaching them what normal looks like. Children copy what they see. When we constantly scroll, we model disconnection, and that teaches them to seek screens instead of people. You're missing the best bits. Most bonding doesn't happen in big moments. It happens in the in-between ones. Put the phone down and catch the magic while it's happening. 4. Your relationship matters too. Phone use doesn't just affect kids. It can chip away at your relationship too. And when connection between parents suffers, children feel that stress. 5. Presence builds emotional safety. Being present tells your child, "You matter. I'm here for you." And that is the foundation of emotional well-being. Tips for putting the phone down. Phone-free times, meals, playtime, bedtime routines. Face-to-face first. Before you check your screen, check in with your child. Let them see you put it away. Say, "I'm putting this down because I want to be with you." You don't have to be perfect. Just be present. Because the most powerful thing you can give your child is you.